Here's another kind of mechanical advantage problem I want you to be familiar with. Here is our machine. We don't know what it is, but we know that it's a force magnifier. And let's just say we're told that the mechanical advantage is 500. And you need this machine to exert a, 10,000 Newton force. So this is going to be F out. You know you're going to get a mechanical advantage of 500, and the question is what is the required force in? Probably should be shorter, but anyway. So you need a 10,000 newtons out. You know the mechanical advantage. What is the required force in? Okay, well, let's start with our definition of what is mechanical advantage. It is the ratio of the output force divided by the input force. And you know this guy, and you know that guy, and you want to know that guy. Time for some algebra. All right, so basically, in any kind of algebraic manipulation, well, our goal here is I want to get F in equals everything else. And then we crank the numbers in. So let's do that. Okay, so I hate these ones where they start on the bottom because, it takes a little bit more work, but it's very doable. All right, so basically we're going to multiply both sides of our equation by force in. And if you look to the right, I see an F in on the top and F in on the bottom. So F in divided by F in is 1. In other words, it just disappears. Okay, next line. We bring everything down. So we see what we have. I have F in times mechanical advantage equals F out. Okay, now our next step is I need to get, I was thinking about something there, but I decided not to talk about it. Okay, so basically I'm almost there, except now I just need to get rid of that MA. So there's MA there, and there's MA there. And Ma divided by Ma is 1, so it disappears. So here you go, your basic algebraic manipulation. So now I'm ready. Input force, I've got it all set up, equals what? I take the output force divided by the mechanical advantage. And what is my output force? Here's my output force, is 10,000 newtons. And I'm going to divide that by the mechanical advantage, which is 500. And I don't want to use a calculator, so I'm going to do this. Okay, 0 to 0, 0 cancels. Okay, so what's 100 divided by 5? 20 newtons, which is pretty impressive. Okay, 10,000 newtons is around 2,000 pounds. That's a pretty significant force. And with this particular machine, all you have to do is put in 20 newtons, which is about, so all you have to do is put in 20 newtons. What's that? That's about 4 pounds. That's like the weight of a couple of textbooks. And you're going to get 2,000 pounds, which is plenty enough to lift up like my car to change a tire. So that's pretty good. However, nature isn't magic. It's magical. It's wonderful, but it isn't magic. And if you're going to get more force out than you put in, then nature says, I'm going to charge you for that. And we'll see in our next set of videos, we will see that the price you pay is distance.